If you don't have a lot of time to work out, then I have the perfect workout for you. Hey, I'm Coach Greg with Svelte Training, and I have 4 compound exercises that will work out your full body. This is going to be completely standing, so no need to get up and down off the ground or use equipment. This is gonna be body weight only, so we're gonna have some fun. So grab some water, find a flat surface, and let's get started. Alrighty, so we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them. Less talk in my part, because you know I love to talk, and more doing on yours, so we can burn some fat, get our sweat on, and have a great time with this full body workout. So without further ado, let's get started with our first exercise. Alrighty, we're gonna be starting off with some knee hugs. You know, we gotta love ourselves, right? So this will be a perfect warm-up exercise to this. So we're gonna start with 30 seconds, and here we go. So we're just gonna bring one knee up, arms up to the side, and the goal is, as if we're like, hug the world, hug ourselves. We used to do these in track all the time. So these are a knee hug. Now they're kind of similar to marches and stuff, but the goal is to get our knee as close to our chest as we can. And we're just trying to assist with our hands to get our knee up there, just like this. So like, stay open up, and then boom, close up just like this. This is a great full body because we're warming up the arms, warming up the chest, warming up the back, getting our core engaged. This is a good one. Just like that, keep a nice cadence, a nice tempo. A couple more seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Following up those knee hugs, we have curtsy lunges. Now a normal lunge, you either are stepping forward or you're stepping back. So what we're doing is almost a reverse lunge, but all we're doing is, instead of stepping just back, we are planting our foot to the side of us into a curtsy. Just like that. 30 seconds, here we go. We're just gonna alternate legs to curtsy, boom. Early reach. Now, if your balance may not be where you want it to be, you can hold on to something or go at your own pace. So these are great because not only are we working our legs, but we're also getting some nice rotation in there, getting your abductors, adductors, all of it. And as long as you are tightening your core, standing upright, you're gonna feel this everywhere. Come on, a couple more seconds. You're doing amazing. 3, 2, 1, great job. Alrighty, next we have some monkey pumps. We're gonna get our arms nice and loose. It's gonna be great. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's go. Try to keep your elbows up. So we're going here, and boom. Just like this. See if you can get your elbows as close to your eyebrows as you can. I'm not flexible enough for that, but I know you are. We're really just squeezing. Make sure you're squeezing here. You're gonna feel it in your shoulders, in your chest, in your back. Really want a nice cadence here. Boom. Also try to rotate your palms to face you when you squeeze here. Just like that. Let's do one more. And done. Great job. Last, we have some squat and twist. Here we go. We're getting funky with it. 30 seconds on the clock, and let's get to it. So as we squat down, once we come up, we're bringing our palms facing out, and we're twisting over, coming right back down to the other side, and boom, just like this. Now you don't have to do a full, like, deep squat. You can do a quarter squat, whatever you feel comfortable with. The goal is just to move our body, really get that twisting motion. We're gonna work out our core while we're working out our legs, so it's a great one. Just like this. You can keep your elbows bent slightly. They don't need to be elongated out too crazily. Let's do one more, and done. There you have it. Those are your 4 compound exercises for full body. I'm out of breath, so I'm gonna grab some water to help cover up my heavy breathing. You know exactly what you're doing now. You got the exercises. You feel good, you feel pumped. Let's get these next 2 sets going right now. Knee hugs in 3, 2, 1, go. Curtsy lunges in 3, 2, 1, go. Monkey pumps in 3, 2, 1, go. Squat and twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Great job with that second set. Grab some water. One more to go. We got this. All right, take a deep breath. We're good. Finish strong. One more set to go. Here we go. Knee hugs in 3, 2, 1, go. Curtsy lunges in 3, 2, 1, go. Monkey pumps in 3, 2, 1, go. Squat and twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. That was your 4 compound exercises for a full body workout. I hope you feel great. I hope you feel amazing. And if you do, go ahead and leave a comment. What did you like? What did you not like? What do you want more of? Either way, we just want to hear from you. Also, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. I am Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.